video we are going to learn about pollination. But before learning pollination, let's first understand flowers parts. There are mainly four parts of flowers. Sepal. Sepal is the outermost. This is the outermost green colored part of flower and it helps in protecting the birds. So function of sepal is to protect the bird. Second part of flower is petals. You can see here the attractive and it is also known as the colored attractive part. This is petals which is blue in color. Petals, the function of petal is to attract insects and birds. Third, androsium, or you can say stamen, and it is the male part of a flower. It is the male part of a flower and this tube-like structure are known as stamen. Fourth part is gynosium or pistil. This is the female part. This is the female part of a plant and here this structure is pistil. This whole structure is pistil. Now the androsium. This is androsium. It also have two parts. This part is known as anther and anther contains the pollen grains. You can see the yellow part is anther. It contains pollen grains. The tube-like structure after the yellow part is known as filament. These both are parts of androsium, means our male reproductive part of a plant. Next, in this gynosium or pistil, this upper structure is known as stigma. This upper structure is known as stigma. After the stigma, the tube which is going is known as a style. The thing which is going is known as style, and the tube when swelled up, this swelled up part of a gynosium is known as ovary. And inside the ovary, it contains ovule. Inside ovary there are ovules present. And when the flower will turn into fruit, the ovules turn into seed. Now, these are all the parts of flower. But what is pollination? Let us learn about pollination. So, pollination. The definition of pollination is the transfer of pollen grains. The transfer of pollen grains from anther of stamen to the stigma of pistil is called pollination. What is pollination? The transfer of pollen grains. Where pollen grains is present? In the anther of stamen. So the transfer of pollen grains means the transfer of pollen grains from anther of the stamen, means from here to where the stigma of the pistil. This is the stigma and part of a pistil. So the transfer of pollen grains from anther of the stamen to stigma of the pistil is known as pollination. This process is known as pollination. What? Transfer of pollen grains from anther of the stamen to the stigma of pistil is known as pollination. This pollination can be done in three ways. Mainly three ways, that is water, insects and wind. Water can be done in three ways: water, insects or